Hey, what's up guys? In this class we will see how to install the WordPress. So click on manage over here. After, first of all, you have to go to the hosting and then click on that manage. Okay, after that you'll be taken to this panel. Just scroll down and click on auto installer, then click on this option select, and after that if you want to make your website secure, then go for this first option over here, which is HTTPS, and this is your domain and this is your other required information. Over here you have to give your password, administrator password, and this is the website title. If you want, you can give over here, or from the dashboard also you can change this, but as of now let me just give the password over here. Okay, once you give the password and the website name, click on install. Okay, it's showing an error. I think it is because of this HTTP. Click on install. Okay, currently I'm getting this error over here. We have to select the language, click on install. Okay, so this will basically take some time for things to set up and all the setting the environment and installation, everything. So let's just wait for a while. It is taking a little bit of time to make things go and install everything. Okay, so now it has been installed. From this you can just directly go to your website and access it. Currently, as of now, this is the sample website and it says not secured because we have to redirect our website from the HTTP to HTTPS. From this you can directly go to your WordPress, and over here you will see the required information about your website. Okay, so this is that option of HTTP and HTTPS. Let's see whether this is working or not. Okay, you have to turn this on. Now let me just refresh this over again and see. Okay, so as can be seen, now our website is secured. So you just have to change this option, then just scroll down, and this is other required information about your website. Now what you can do is if you want to edit your website, you can click on this edit website and do that, or you can do one more thing. Let me just show you how to edit your website from this option. Okay, so after that you will be taken to this dashboard of the WordPress, from where you can edit your website, install everything, install the plugins, customization, everything will take place. Or there is one more way by which you can edit your website, or you can log in inside of your website. And in order to do that, let me just show you one thing. Just go to your WordPress and just type in WP admin over here. Okay, and after that you'll be taken to your this dashboard. Okay, so basically what happens is now let me just show you this in the incognito. This is the aesthetic debonair. So whenever you will be logged down, and whenever if you want to access your website from the any portal, you just have to do one thing. Type out the name of your website. Just come over here and type out name of your website, then the / and WP admin. Once you are done with that, click on enter key, and over here you have to enter your email or username and the password which you have set during the installation process. So what I'll do is I will use the very same email ID and the password, then I will hit the login. And this is how you can log into your dashboard of your website from anywhere you want. Okay, so this is how you have to install and log into your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you.